Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on the Laddie motor, the 1957 5 horsepower Sea King. I got her done. She come out to be a beauty. Got her in the barrel here doing a test run today. I'm gonna make sure she's pumping water. I'm gonna make sure she's cooling the engine down. I'm gonna take some readings on her. Make sure she's cooling. I have been running her. It's gonna be a warm start. She starts right up, runs amazingly good. Yes, sir. She's cooling just fine. Starts right up. I'm gonna put that side cover on her and give her another run. Yes, sir. She's ready to go. Looking really good here. Got the side cover on. Let's give her another pull. Just a little tuning up on the low speed. I mean, she runs great. Idle's perfect. Got her dialed in on the high speed too. Gonna take her out on the bayou for the final run. And then she'll be headed to Chicago to see John. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just an example of doing it one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!